Hi everyone, welcome back to Cracku JEE. Today we'll be seeing how to use the Cracku JEE Foundation Dashboard. So first up, you have to go to the cracku.in website and then you have to click here. Then you have to click on JEE Foundation. So JEE Foundation Dashboard will be only accessible to those people who are in the course, who have bought the course. So as soon as you enter the dashboard, you will see a welcome sign with your name. And on the right side, you'll see the live class segment where you see the live upcoming class with the date and time. So if you click on the view live class schedule, you'll be able to see what live classes are upcoming and what have already happened. Based on that, you can cover, if you have missed any class, if you have any backlogs, you can cover with the pre-recordings. And also after every live class, there will be a concept test, a session test, where you'll get 10 questions and you will have 40 minutes to solve the 10 questions. So you will be having this one, and also after that you will get 30 additional questions. So you'll also have a lot of questions to practice post the live class. And then if you click on the live class, you will see a timer where it will show how many hours is still left for the live session to start, and just below that there will be a segment called pre-readings. So pre-readings are very necessary. We expect you to complete the pre-readings before every live class. These are basically fundamentals or the basic classes, basic concepts that you need to know before a live class. This will help you to maximize your or optimize what you're learning from the live class. And also every concept that you will be reading in the pre-readings will have a concept test, so make sure to finish that test before you enter the live class. And then if you scroll down, you will also have quick links. In quick links, you have NCRT solutions, bi-weekly tests, and study room. NCRT solutions, you are segmented, class wise, class 7, 8, 9, 10, and you can practice your NCRT questions from there. And then you have bi-weekly tests. Bi-weekly tests are tests that will happen every 2 weeks. So monthly, there are 2 bi-weekly tests. So it is very important for you guys to attempt the bi-weekly test to enter the exam mindset. So you'll be ready for the exam day so early on. And then you have the study room. As you scroll down, you will also have the this week's classes. So this week's classes on 10 July, you have maths and chemistry, and you also have pre-readings available for it. Make sure to finish your pre-readings before every class. This is highly, highly, highly recommended. And as you scroll down, you will see your batch schedule. So batch schedule is basically aligned with your live classes, so that before your live classes, you will be strong in the fundamentals and the concepts that are going to be taught in the live classes. So this is aligned with your live classes. So make sure to complete whatever topic is given on that day. So for instance, if on 8 July, which is today, there's a concept video of polynomials, fundamental theorem, and algebra, and there's also test regarding the same. So 5 questions, 15 minutes. This is very simple. I believe you guys should be able to do this. So this is what batch schedule looks like. And the batch schedule can also be segregated based on the subject. So math, physics, chemistry can also segregate based on the subject of your readings. If you scroll down, you also have question banks for maths, physics, chemistry, which is where you can practice your questions from. And also, guys, you can access the live classes from here also, which are segregated based on your class wise. And your practice questions, your question banks here. And also, bi-weekly tests are available here. PYQs are available here. And if you have any exams coming up, these are also available here. And if you're a parent and if you have multiple children who have bought the course, then from here you can change your JEE Foundation ka dashboard based on your class.